Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to record the boomerang on Instagram, boomerang posts on Instagram. First of course, all you need to do is to have an Instagram on your profile or your phone. How to do that? Just go and download it through Play Store if you have an Android or App Store if you have an iPhone. Then all you need to do, just go and click on sign in if you don't have an account. But if you do have your account on Instagram, just go and press login, and let's get straight to Instagram. Now all you need to do, just go to your profile. How can you do that? You can just click on the bottom right corner at your icon profile. It will take you straight to your profile. Then all you need to do, just click on the plus icon on the top right corner. Then here you should choose a story. Let's just allow our Instagram to use our camera and microphone. So here you should add a story. Then just choose camera. And let's just record a small boomerang. How can I choose a boomerang? As you can see here, we have an infinite icon on the left. It's in the middle one. Just click on that. As you can see, now we will record a boomerang. So let's say if we record this and this, it will process a bit. You shall just wait a bit. Then as you can see, here is your boomerang that you recorded. It will just repeat infinitely until the story ends. Then if you want to post it on your story, just click on your story. If you want to post it to close friend, just click on close friend. If you want to send it to someone, just click on this flash here, and you will send it to whatever or whoever you want. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.